位置喺荃灣嘅路德圍啊，冇錯，又嚟到路德圍啊。咁上次就淨係嚟食咗碗豆腐花就走咗啦。今日呢，就諗住嚟下一個圈，睇下其實仲有啲乜嘢餐廳值得 explore 嘅。咁呢度排長龍做咩事呢？佢哋應該係去醫務所啊。Okay, I think these people are going to have a checkup. That's why they're queuing up. Hello. 好啦，咁一齊睇下呢個有咩餐廳先。榴蓮真一料理。This one should be spicy food. 青玉 the Taiwanese tea, sort of. Taiwanese drinks. Yeah. 燒賣皇后 This is one of the this is quite popular actually. Selling the 燒賣, but actually it was from Yunnan, so you don't have to try it here. 咁呢條街呢，其實就叫全興徑啊，川興 Path。咁順便望埋側邊呢度仲有啲乜嘢啦？金雞、海南雞。This one is for the chicken rice. 台式飲品 Taiwanese style drinks. 豪大大雞扒。They sell fried chicken. 義燒魚蛋啊，都係食小食嘅啫，其實。咁呢個巴士站啦。咁呢條街仔呢，叫做昌泰街 ，Chong Tai Street。好啦，佢行啦。呢個賣漢堡包嘅 ，They sell burger here, and this one is, I think it's for like sushi, sashimi, hand roll。刀削麵、車仔麵。These two are noodle shop, different style, and these two are Thai food. 兩間泰國餐廳。咁呢度就絕對推介，一定要推介嘅就係兩間豆腐花。加咗價喎，而家一律6蚊咯喎，之前係3蚊嘅，而家加咗價。Okay. So actually those two shops were selling the tofu desserts. They used to be like $3 each, but now the price has gone up. And now they're selling a doubled, so it's like $6 each now. 好啦，咁呢個就非法鋪啦，入邊有啲非法分子啦，即係非法，即係剪頭髮嘅非法咁解。Beans 出邊呢度係大河道北。 好啦，繼續行啦。18座狗仔粉，另外有間泰國餐廳。This is Thai food. And then the Hong Kong style cafe. 茶餐廳嚟嘅。呢間係食甜品嘅。These are dessert shops. Curry, BBQ and kebabs. 中東菜嚟嘅。咁啊，有個醫生診所，路德圍。Burgerland。哇，雞髀王喎！Chicken thighs, chicken legs 脆弱雞啊，脆弱雞，脆弱雞 ，OK， 好弱雞，脆弱雞 ，OK 喎個名。加藤屋食日本嘢嘅應該。茶餐廳，米線，側邊呢個係福來村啊！揾日我都想去嗰度望一望。好啦 ，so this Hong Kong style cafe. A Japanese restaurant. Also, another one is selling chicken, some kind of chicken, alcoholic, herbal chicken. 咁啊，淡仔。碗龜腩、車仔麵。So those two were noodle shops. 魚湯專門店，唔識讀啦個名，魚乜啊？唔識讀啊！再返嚟。路德圍啊，好啦，繼續啦。法太懷舊小食，水餃 dumplings， 好食雲南米線 noodle shop。海雀會this one is actually a place for playing mahjong, and they also provide some food as well. 臘子 sushi shop, and this one is dumpling shop. 串燒王 is like sort of BBQ king, but it's closed. Okay, 手機店嚟嘅。好啦，咁啊播緊林俊傑，咁啊講多兩句嘢先，我驚佢有版權問題啊。咁啊呢邊其實剛才都影過啦。 可能 miss 咗一兩間，咁啊而家可能補翻啦。咁啊呢度有間茶餐廳。This one is Hong Kong style cafe。雞尾龍，行運一條龍。咁啊 ，this one they sells chicken。棟篤食 ，stand up eating。Okay, they are selling snacks actually. Another Taiwanese style drinks. 唐記包點 selling dim sum and buns. This one is selling snacks. 龍津美食啊！ Wow, there are still so many people here queuing for the checkout.「青葉海鮮酒家」There is a Chinese restaurant up there. 元記粉麵茶餐廳。So this one is a noodle shop. 呢個係咪絕味嚟㗎？好似唔係喎，係啊，絕味嚟嘅。Okay, this one is selling I think it's Taiwanese style spicy food. 麻辣屋，東京站 snacks. Yeah, this one as well, selling snacks. T-Mark 地王廣場。好啦，咁啊基本上都行晒啦，咁啊路德圍就係得咁多嘅啫。咁啊有間賣零食嘅。Okay, so I think that is all. Yeah. 好啦，咁呢個分享呢就嚟到呢度先，咁我哋下段片再見啦。Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.